Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. You may have watched the video where we unboxed everything here. I just did a quick overview of the whole IMS kit like this for my 2023 Frontier. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go over just certain pieces of the kit in case you don't want the whole kit. Maybe you're looking for just a part. So let's get at it. So in this video, we're going to quickly talk about the bushings that Dobinsons sends with their kits. And now there's 3 different sizes in here. You can see you got one that's kind of pre-made. You got these taller guys, and then it'll be 4 of each, depending what kit you're getting this for, of course. And then you have ones that are slightly smaller. So you get 2 of each of the big guys, and then 4 each of the medium, 4 of the small. Now, you can go back and look at how this is installed on my truck if you want, but the reason I recommend getting these if you're going to install this kit is you can see here, it's kind of got like that checkered stripey look inside there. There's a reason for that. That being, if you get their other stuff here, they sell greasable bolts, greasable shackles, and this goes with all that. So, to keep it kind of simple, if you look in here, you can see this one has 2 holes in there. Basically, the pins and stuff that come with this are greasable. You can quickly have a look in here. Before we get to that point, this is what I mean. You can see it's got a grease nipple there, and basically this is what will go inside these bushings. Now, having that checkered mark in there, when you start pumping that full of grease, it'll transfer into these, and it'll actually grease the entire inside of the bushing. It'll work its way out the sides and grease the face of the bushing, and then as well it'll work its way out the middle here down these little channels, and it'll actually grease the entire inside or outside of the bushing as well. When it does that, because these are for your leafs, in turn it will actually grease the inside here of your leaf spring as well. So that is part of that right there, which is your extended shackles. This comes with the same idea, but it's just one pin that goes through, has holes in it similar to those. It'll puke out the grease basically, and then when you keep pumping, the pressure will put it through those holes on the inside there, and again it'll end up greasing the inside of this thing. It'll come out the outside here and grease the face. It'll come out the middle here, grease all this and everything, and then of course again it'll come in here and it'll be able to grease the whole inside of that as everything works its way through. So not only will that make all these bushings last longer, but it'll stop any squeaking and stuff from getting in there and just making noise, because nobody wants to spend money on all these new parts and have it squeak after every bump that you hit, especially if you're going to have this thing off-road. So if you're looking to get these bushings, this is what comes with their kit. Highly recommend it. You can check it out on the truck and decide for yourself if it's something that you'd like to pick up. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to go over piece by piece of all these parts. So if you want to see this part specifically on the truck, make sure to like and subscribe. Go back, check out all the other videos on the other parts. And again, if you want to see the entire kit, it'll be on my 2023 Frontier here very soon, so if it's not already out, go back, make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss it. If it's out, lucky for you, go back and check out that video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully it helped you out. If you got any more questions, drop a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks for watching.